I make a ton of content here on YouTube on how to sell digital products, and I make a lot of income claims. I talk about how I make over $500,000 a month selling digital products, and I make a lot of how to sell digital product content, but I usually am talking about more bigger picture strategy stuff. And one of the top questions I always get on my videos is no, but like literally, how do you sell digital products? What does that process look like? And so I thought what I would do for this video is literally walk you through the step-by-step process of selling digital products and what that looks like. So literally like pretending you're right here on this cozy evening at my computer, and I'm just literally showing you how it works. So I'm going to show you the software that I use to sell digital products. I'm going to show you the process. I'm going to show you how it all connects together. I'm just going to share my screen, let you in my world. I've got plenty of time to sit here and film. And so I thought I would just show you kind of what it looks like in case you've ever you kind of have watched some of my other videos, which tend to be more strategy, but less about the okay, but how do I actually sell it? How does that look like? So I'm just going to share my screen. I'm going to kind of walk you through what this looks like. And at the end, what I'm going to do is talk a little bit about what next steps are. So by the end of this video, you know exactly what to do in order to sell digital products. So let me go over here. Okay. So basically, this is the product that I'm going to show you. Now, I have tons and tons of digital products that I sell. Like I said, I literally sell 200 products a day. And so I just picked this one because it's one of my top products. You may have seen it before. You may know what it is. But basically what I want to do is kind of show you all the different stages, all the different software, and just literally show you how this works so that you can visualize it. Because I do feel like a lot of people do gatekeep it. And I've never gatekept it. I just haven't taken the time to sit down and show you. So I want to show it to you. Because also, frankly, for me, I kind of think the strategy stuff is more interesting, but some people literally do want to just see this process. So enough of you have asked for it. So I'm like, all right, people need this. Let me film it. So, okay. Basically, I'm going to walk you through it as if I was a customer. Okay. So step one, you come across this page. Now, a little bit later, I'll talk about how you come across this page. But step one, you are presented with the checkout page. And on the checkout page is the offer. Okay. So this is the offer. It's the 24 courses for $24. These are 24 video courses that I have filmed. I list what's included. I share some FAQs, and then they can fill out their information and buy it. Now I want to show you what this looks like on the back end. Okay. So this software where this is sold, this is called Samcart. So if I refresh the page here, you can see here that this is mariawent.com/Samcart. I sell my products on Samcart. Now, you may have heard of products being sold on Etsy. You may have heard of digital products being sold on Stan Store. I made a whole video on why I think you will never make serious money trying to sell stuff on Etsy or Stan Store. For me, Samcart has been the difference between making a couple $100s a month and literally the hundreds of thousands of dollars that I make. So I'm a big Samcart person. I've been a customer with them for since 2014. So a really, really, really long time. And I've just continued to make more and more money every year thanks to Samcart. So I'm not sponsored. I'm actually talking to them about potentially becoming sponsored because I promote them so much in my damn videos, but I'm actually not currently sponsored by Samcart. But I want to be because, Lord, I pitch them enough. So I really just genuinely do believe in the product. So this is Samcart. You can see here, it's called the 24 courses for $24. You can see here, it's the same product. And then here's the product image. This is not complicated stuff. You put the price in right here, $24. That's how when you go over to here at the bottom, it says $24. I'm not smart at this stuff at all. And then if you go to design, I want to show you kind of what the page looks like. So if you go to the sales page and then you edit the sales page, this is kind of how you decide what the page looks like. Oh, I didn't even click the right one, but it's close enough, right? Where you can kind of see, here's the checkout page on the right. Here's some images on the left. I think this is a work in progress page because obviously the full page is a little bit more filled out, but just for the sake of example here, so you can see, it's a very easy drag and drop builder. So here on the right, you can see here, I just kind of here's an image, you can add an image, here's a headline, add a headline. And then you literally would just drag and drop it. This could not be easier to set up. And I do have a ton of stuff on my YouTube channel, about what I put on the checkout pages and how to do all of that. But right now what I want to do is just keep you focused on the software and kind of what this whole process looks like. So when you would be done, you would just click finish. And then once they check out, right? So they've gone through this process, they've used Samcart, and they check out, well, how do they actually get these 24 courses? Like, that's the other question people have is like, how does that work? So they've paid me money. I get the checkout page, but how do they view these products? Where do I put them? Again, super easy. I'm kind of worried that this is going to be an underwhelming video, but I guess that if it is, I guess the takeaway is like, this is actually really simple. So for this particular, these are basically where I put my, digital products. So I do it like you can see here, I do have a ton of digital products. Some of them, like if I sort by most customers, some of them have like 50,000 customers in them. Yeah. So like this one here has 42,000 customers that have purchased this. This one has 40,000. This one has 39,000, but this, I'll just kind of like show you what it looks like here. So let me just pick one. We'll do this one. So this is, just so you can see here, this is one of the products in this. So trickle to flood, how to generate hundreds of leads on demand. This is part of the 24 courses. So it's directly related. And then I'll just click preview and show you kind of what this looks like. So when someone buys this product, they'll get a login from this thing called Kajabi. That's where these courses are hosted. And then they can just literally watch them like that. Like it's super, super simple. If you go to, I want to show you kind of like the back end of what this looks like so you can visually see how you would upload your images. So like, okay, your videos, you would just put your videos here. Wow, my hair looked crazy good in this. I'm like clearly not wearing makeup right now. I look way better in this, but it's all good. So it's really simple. Like you can see here that these 24 courses, they're very simple. They're very, very popular. You can see here, like 40,000 people have purchased these 24 courses. But that's basically how it works. And then the other thing that I want to show you is I'll go back here. I want to show you how does Samcart and Kajabi talk to each other. So if you check out at Samcart, how does the Kajabi know to give a login, right? Because that's what happens is they check out here and then automatically they'll be emailed a link to view this course. How does that happen? And so if you go to advanced, nope, incorrect. If you go to apps, and then you can see here this thing called Kajabi grant offer when the product is purchased. So all you would do is just add a new rule. You go to Kajabi, and then you would just literally pick the product, and then you would grant the offer. It could not be simpler. I think the thing that people always think is like, oh, Maria, this is so complicated. This is so like difficult, but it's actually really not. Learning how to sell digital products is essentially learning, how do I make a checkout page like this? How do I get stuff loaded onto here? It's not simple, or it's not complicated. It is very simple. It might feel not simple when you're just getting started, which is why I try to make so many videos like this, because for me personally, digital products completely changed my life. I'm a single mom. I made like over $2 million last year. If you don't believe me, go to my website and see how much I paid in taxes. You can also go look at my income claims. I share screenshots and video walkthroughs of everything I make. Obviously, making $2 million in take-home personal income is a lot. And so I get the skepticism, I really do. But I'm on a big mission to just help people do this, because for me, it's really changed my life. And so really, if I could tell you anything when it comes to selling digital products, it's like, this is actually really simple. The last thing that I want to show you is two things. I want you to just kind of see, in case you wanted like more proof for whatever reason. I shared my orders from the last 7 days. So May 7th, 2025 to May 14th, 2025. And then you can just see here my different products. It looks like that's the one that I should have had for the checkout page. Yeah, if I go to this one, that's the one that I think should be the same. But anyways, so you can see here in the last 7 days, we've done 386 orders of that product, 150 orders of that product, 104 orders of that product, 85 orders of that product, 72 orders, 70, 47, 42. You can just see here how it kind of goes down the list. And I have 13 pages of products. Obviously, like if we go to page 4, there'll be 3 orders, 4 orders. So the bulk of the orders are really on these, like the conversion rate on these, by the way, like for some of these is like nuts. Like 64% is insane. That means that more than half of the people that viewed this page, only 59 people viewed this page, but over half of them bought. Our average conversion rate over all my pages is 6%. But sometimes it might be slightly higher because like this one here got 42 orders, but yet somehow shows 0%. So there are some glitches with the Samcart reporting, but our general overall average is 6% on all of our pages. If you want to learn how to get a bunch of people to your checkout page, you're like, okay, that's amazing. How do I get people to this page? I have a whole video that I just filmed on that. Go watch that one next.